You can expect a lot from the 2005 Infiniti G35. Infiniti made sure to keep road handling and sportiness at the top of its priority list. A 3.5-liter V6 engine pairs with a sophisticated 5-speed automatic transmission, and for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. All of the premium features expected of an Infiniti are offered, including leather upholstery, one-touch window functionality, speed-sensitive wipers, high-intensity discharge headlights, remote keyless entry, and power front seats. In the event of a rollover collision, side curtain airbags provide additional protection for outboard seated passengers. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, providing you peace of mind with detailed information. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.